Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger QR code problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger QR code problem, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Messenger. When you find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that makes error, and then you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on your Messenger app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you soon in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.